Han, where's that thing?
What can you talk about?
I said, Han, are you sure?
And then she stopped, which she always does.
Can you fix my broken heart?
While you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Hi guys, good morning. It's 5:55. I got up early because I was on my phone, and also I let the dog out. Where is Roxy? Where is Roxy? Your blanket is so clean. It smells good. It smells so good now. I love you. I love you so much. I do so much. Hey guys, I just been editing the video. And yung buhok ko hindi pa naka-brush. It's the best day today. You see that? It's the best day, rocks. The wind is kind of cold, but otherwise it's really nice and nice. You guys are hungry? Wow, it's a nice day. Yay! You're bothering daddy, hey. Hey. I'm gonna make you egg. Okay? Coffee and egg, yes. And the dog need to be ate. He need to eat something too. Yay! Egg ako logo. Egg. What is that? What is that? It's nice outside. It's perfect day for you, Han, this morning. Empty ka, bunny. Early in the morning, what I'm gonna do is, where's my dog? Okay, now there is light. Let there be lights. Okay, early in the morning, it's 8:26 in the morning. I'm doing early because I'm going to marinate this. That later on, I can just rotisserie. I think this will be cooked like, I think 2 hours, 1.5 hours, because Tommy and the other family like to have that kind of bloody hill, you know, rare, and I always just cut the edge for me because I don't like it. Okay, this is how I season it, guys. First, I will pour. I have to open everything first because I don't want to retouch all the thing. Where's the thing, Han? It's right here. I always, guys, this is the thing about me. Thing. Han, where's the thing?
What can you talk about?
I'm not telling people. Ah, you guys. Did you hear that? He always, every time I look for something, and then I always said, Han, where's that thing? Han, what thing? did you hear the reaction? He gets so upset because I said thing. So oil first. I don't know if I can. Now I can't even move you guys because. Okay, that's it. Okay, so oil. You know, you put oil to this to hold the seasonings. And yeah, so you turn it. I just wanna use my one hand because now. Next, the second step is what I do is the salt. You have to pour light salt, very light, and then after that you have to rub. pepper, and then you always rub it to mix it, and then rub it to the meat like that. Next thing I'm going to do is this one, guys. Oops. I like this one and this one, guys. It makes tasty. It doesn't gonna ruin the beef, but it makes tasty in the outside part. And then powder, guys. This is, I think this is onion. This is not powder. It's granulated though. I like the powder one. Tommy liked the granulated. That's why he got this, because he's the one bought this. So me, I'm just like using it. He buy a lot of this, guys. And then the garlic. What is okay? I thought this one is the powder one, which is I like. This one, the crunchiness of this one, when it burn outside, so good, so good. The next part is I'm going to the side. Editing, guys, and I'm laughing at my editing, and I keep getting Tom's attention. Ignore me. I think he is kind of mad at me that I'm in my laptop. Yes, you know. Oh, I hate you.
I'm dying for attention, these two guys.
Yeah, I know. They're like freaking attention seeker. You have to start moving, hon. Stretch your body like this. You're not mad at me? Oh, no. You're not? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Love you so much. Give me a kiss. Love you. What kind of position is that? Let's see what Daddy's doing.
We'll cook it, remember. We gotta leave it semi-uncooked. The heat inside of it.
It will keep cooking.
It will keep cooking, so.
I know. Roxy sees over there. Hi, Misty. Look at that dance. Hello, baby. Hi. Hello. Hello, hello. Yes, Roxy. Look at it. And look at it. And did you see that face? Hi, Rox. Hello, Rox. What a life. Guys, I was singing Lonely Teardrops just for two. And I see Tommy's face, guys, like this. My crazy wife is in the road. So this is the rotisserie. And I cover this one that later on when I wash it, it's not really crazy. Like, you know what I mean. It's dripping there, so I don't want it like too much. This one right here. Yep. And I'm just going to do like this, pokey, you know. You have to poke. We have to make sure that it's balanced. Ah, that's why they tied it, because it's one. Oh, they're very wise though. Look, guys, it's open up. They cut it. The bone is separated. Look, they separated the bone. Okay, so I guess we're gonna just leave it that way, and then I will close it. Now I'm going to start it. Start. 2 hours. No heat rotation. There, it's on. Hopefully this freaking thing won't slide. Look, it's just keep moving. You can hear it. You can see it's moving again. That's over there. Look, it's moving. This light fixture doesn't work. There's 2 in the front door, but it won't work. So Tommy tried to fix it. Let's see if he can fix it. Let's see if he can fix it, guys. I'll tell you later. You need to open everything. So explain what you're doing.
Checking the wiring. We got Brillo.
Huh?
We got a Brillo pen. Steel wool. SOS.
Oh, okay. Oh, SOS. Yeah, this one here. Everything. Look over there. Look in that thing. So, look at this steak, guys. I can't wait to eat this for din, guys. I'm gonna have 1 bone for lunch. It's not gonna, when you put it up and then it's wet, it's not gonna blow up.
Really wet.
Huh?
Not really putting it wet, just putting some muck off it.
Can you smell the beef? Roast beef?
It just smells good.
Smells so good. This is it, Pansit. It's right here, okay? Hi guys, I am I have another channel if you wanna check it out. If you wanna check what Roxy and Misty's life, They have their own channel, and the cat also. They're all together. I think the title of the channel, the name of the channel is Animal Lover, something. But I put Habs already over there listening music. If you wanna know, I put the headset on his head, and he kind of like this. And Tommy yelled at me after that because the cat have a good hearing and they have a loud headset, loud one. That's why he acting up like this. And also, if you wanna see the little kitten, that the wild one in our backyard, I have that video also in there too. So, and Roxy over there so tilting her head like this, being annoyed. And so if you wanna check it, if you wanna check about the dog's life, you know, thank you sis who did what does that? Sam is busy, guys. Suggestion, right? Suggestion about the dog thing. I have that already, but I kind of just don't upload video in there more often. So now, thank you for letting me know again, reminding me, and I'm gonna do it this time. Who doesn't want to have this, guys? Who doesn't want to have it? This one right here. That's the best thing ever, guys. Look at it, guys. It smells so good, guys. I'm telling you, guys. I'm telling you. So Tommy already said, don't cook it. Don't cook it. Don't overcook it. Don't cook it. Don't overcook it. You ruin it. Kidding me? I never heard food ruin overcooked. If you have a broken pipe, broken stuff, call Tommy. He's good with it and he enjoy it. He enjoyed doing it. Like, oh gee, it's really annoying. Plus, especially when he's like, Han, hold this! Han, get it! Han, find me this, Han! And then he will see, if this, if that. This if wire, it won't go to the hole. If wire. Look what you did to me, Han.
Like you're doing it to yourself.
Yeah. Look, he doesn't know how to put it back. Now he's guessing.
I'm not guessing. I got a rubber piece for that.
Guys, I'm having problem with this camera memory error, and he just suddenly, Han, give me this, Han, I'm gonna fix it, Han, give me a knife. And then suddenly he scratched everything. And then suddenly, now my camera works properly. You gotta kill to Lani. That always getting it right. What? You know what I'm talking about? Lani Quinn? Because he always put his shelf, you know, like you do, because the weather is getting bad. The weather is getting bad. We have a storm coming. That's why Lani put the shelf up. Always get it right. Guys, if you watch Channel 2 CBS New York, the newscaster, the weather forecaster, Lani Quinn, they have make advertise for him, like a singing advertise about Lani Quinn. He always get it right. So guys, I'm gonna go back to you guys if Tommy fixed it, so I will let you know. If he fail, don't judge him. Yeah. This is already ruined long time ago, and he just tried to fix it. So, but he is really good at fixing anything. Toy cars for his nephew. Oh my god, guys. A little toy. He did his own car. He do everything. Guys, I just can't stop laughing. My husband is annoying. I was busy over there cooking rice, and I said, Han, are you sure? I'm not done, okay? I just said, Han, are you sure?
And then she stopped, which she always does.
And then before
15 minutes later, I was like, Han, finish your sentence.
No, I don't 15 minutes later.
Usually? And you say, nothing, Han, nothing.
No,
Nothing.
This time I have to say something, but I said, Han, are you sure? Are you sure, Han? What? He yelled at me already, and I don't finish it, my sentence.
Huh?
So now
you stopped. You didn't finish it because I interrupted you. You didn't finish it because you stopped.
Because I have to stop.
I
have to breathe.
Stop, take a breath.
So, are you sure if I put my... if I connect my cell phone to the laptop, like what I did to get all the information? If
I'm not sure anything. I'm saying you don't really have much choice if you want to get it.
Yeah, but you told me before that if I connect it, if I ruin again this phone, the same thing with that one. So that means
I'll have to take it back. It's brand new.
Really? But what if it takes a month before it go bad? No, I don't want to take that risk again.
Well, are you gonna put all your stuff back manually? ridiculous that you can't connect it.
I don't know. I can't even get the old record in the Mac in the iTunes, like the number stuff. I'm gonna connect, so I can't connect.
I would connect it.
You would?
I would.
Oh, the bone is so good, huh? Okay, guys, I'm going to connect my cell phone to my laptop. This is what my husband says. To know if my laptop really have a problem. Don't mind Tommy, guys. He's still busy of his connecting thing. Okay, let's see. Connect it to iTunes. Ready? If it's this going to ruin, we have to return it, Tommy says. Okay, now it's connected to iTunes. iTunes could not connect to the iPhone because it's locked with a passcode. That means what?
Put in your password and pay.
You must enter the passcode before you can use it. It's connecting, guys. It's connecting. Let's see if all the contacts and everything is back here. No, I don't want to set up as a new phone, right?
No.
If I want to get my numbers.
Right, I don't know how you do that.
Restore from this backup. So I have to restore, right?
Ooh, no, I don't want to restore the operating and everything. You just want to get the information. How do you do that? You want to restore the phone numbers up and not. If there was something corrupt in the other one, you're restoring that into it. And you're changing the system to the corrupt one.
Oh,
I don't think I want to do that.
okay, so I'm gonna just set it up as a new phone. Okay? I don't care about the number. I can ask the people, right?
Okay.
That's what happened to my second one, hon. I restore it, hon.
Call from Hercules Y.
Freaking NY.
Call from Hercules Y.
Okay, guys, that's what happened. So now I know. I restore from this backup from the other phone. So I restore the one. So that's what happened. So I'm just gonna set up as a new phone, right, hon?
Okay.
Oh, now the contacts is back up, hon.
Okay.
Oh, it's back.
Okay.
Now I know why the second iPhone ruined, hon.
Why?
Because I restore from the old one, the first one. It's my own stupidity. That's what happened. My first phone is bad, remember, and I get a new one, the second one, which is for free because we have a warranty. And when I get back from the house later that day, not later, a few days later, I decided to get my thing. I don't know if you do it as a new phone, you can get all the contacts. Of course I did restore from the old iPhone. A few days later, it came up the same thing what the old phone started, like shut off, later on, shut up until it won't come back anymore for a few times. So it's my own freaking stupidity, hon. It's so proud of him, guys. Huh? No, yeah. It's so proud of him, guys. You know what he did? He fixed it. You know what he did? He wanna eat this. Did you see that? It works. Did you see lights? Thank goodness we don't have to buy a light fixture over there in the side door. Honey, you're the best, baby. You are the best among the rest. Rest, you are the best. You are the best. You are the best. You can fix everything.
Yeah.
Can you fix my broken heart? You did already.
Got some glue?
Hugot pa more.
I got a hot glue gun in the car.
Can you fix my broken heart? You did long time ago.
Camera. Thank you.
Kissy, kissy. Kissy pa more. He did fix my broken heart long time ago. Until now, he's still fixing it slowly. I love him so much. No, I love you. So, let's see. So now, watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. It's hot. Don't wanna burn myself, guys. This is it. Sunset. So now, do you wanna see the beauty of it? I just want the bone. The bone. The bone. And slide it. There you go. There you go. There. Good. So good. We have lunch, guys. Because we don't have lunch. Ah, that nose over there. Good girl. So good. Guys, if you see in the store, like even just a cut of the bone in the edge like this. I don't, did this store sell like this?
No.
No? And then you just bake it or broil it?
Oh, they're called beef ribs. They'll sell beef ribs. But
Yeah, beef. Oh my
not
god.
the same.
You season it the way I season? Oh, it's heaven. So tasty. we give them the bones.
I thought you stupid.
Daddy's leaving us again. Daddy will come back. I guess I see you when I'm back then.
And everything?
Do you have your phone?
Yeah.
Car keys and everything? Say bye, people. Bye.
Bye, people.
Whatever I say, guys, that's what she's going to say. If I say bye, oi, bye, oi. You are really leaving now?
I think so. I think I got everything, man.
I love you, oi. Give me a hug because it's nicer over here because you're taller.
Oi, oi.
Oi, oi. I love you, oi, oi.
MaryAnn, have fun.
Yeah. With the dog? No.
This one's now on a remote too.
Oh, what?
That
Remote?
one's still locked, but this one I just give a power to these two doors.
Okay. He's leaving.
I seem to be working on it.
Okay. I love you.
You know what you want.
This is the car that is going to drive. You sure you don't want me to drive this car? Hello guys! Got out from the shower and then I have a tissue on my side of my eye because I noticed this a week ago or been a while already. I noticed a extra skin on my area here. Roxy! Extra skin, so I look at the mirror. It's kind of annoying, so what I did is like pinch it with my nails and then I pull it and it hurts so bad and then it's bleeding and it's bloody hell. I don't know if you can see, but look how pretty is that. Anyway guys, I'm gonna do quick insert shout out in this video because this video is already long. Okay, I'm going to do a shout out to Hi Henstanalion, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Crisilo Elicio. And also shout out to Agnes Labasano. Hi Agnes. And also shout out to Tuip Kasakop and her son Jerson. Happy birthday. Birthday is coming 17th. Happy advance. And also shout out to Bluewin AK. Birthday niya sa April 13. That means this video today. Happy birthday Bluewin AK. And shout out to MaryAnn Clavero and to her husband, I think, Chuck Bex, and to my daughter Rihanna. Hi, thank you for watching. And also shout out to Venus Guernalda. Hi, and to her aunt, also live here in New York. Hi, thank you for watching, guys. It is 7. It's almost 8 o'clock already. The dog barking go downstairs. I don't know what they're hearing. You guys hearing me? You're hearing the TV. Anyway guys, I'm just gonna end this vlog that, you know, it's already 8 o'clock. I'm gonna end this vlog and just edit the video, and yeah, I'm still editing video right here. Thank you very much, and I hope I will see you in my next video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yes, I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye. What excites me? What is that?
Come on, you already looked in there. You can't.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't. I just like, what is that? No, I